Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Create and activate a virtual env, then install Jupyter, transformers, and Torch so code runs reliably. Once done, decide whether you'll use a hosted API or local model. That choice affects memory and latency. Make sure to secure any API key in n. Env file and mount model waits into the notebook directory if using local inference. This gets you quickly to code without wasting time on later dependency conflicts or permissions errors. You now implement the core, import the tokenizer and model, then run a simple generate call to confirm outputs. Once confirmed, write a chat loop inside the notebook that accepts user input, tokenizes, runs the model, and decodes responses, and explain why each step prevents token overflow and repetition. Make sure to manage context by trimming or summarizing previous turns because context length is limited. Also add simple safety filters and logging so behavior is reproducible and deep. You finish by adding a user interface, IPI widgets for quick demos or Streamlit/Flask for shareable apps, so interactions feel real. Then save conversation history and export model artifacts or checkpoints to reproduce sessions. If things go wrong, first verify GPU memory and lower batch size or sequence length, then confirm tokenizer matches model and that dependencies match versions. Finally, test with small inputs and gradually increase load to catch issues early, because iterative testing prevents larger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.